Iman again at White Lance, and I'm going to take you through the data type section, which is right at the bottom of your admin dashboard. So this enables you to create custom data types, which are used to help you make better matches between your freelancers and your customers. So I've created one here called language. I'm going to go into that in a second, but you can add as many as you like by clicking add data type here. So let's look at what each data type includes. First of all, there's the name of the data, which is then fixed after you've created it. There's the title, so I put here language, and there's the type. So let's look at an example. So here's my language in my profile. Here is the language data type, and the title there is obviously language, and it's multi-select. So when I look at the different options, English, French, German, I can select more than one. If it was single select, then I would only be able to choose one of those options. And let's scroll down to the bottom for a sec, and then we've got the actual form itself. So each of these are one item. So here is English, here is French, here is German. But you can also create as few or as many sub-items as you like within an item itself. So for example, here I've got English, French, and German, but within German I've got Swiss German as a sub-item. So here under German I've clicked this plus button and I've got Swiss German. So here I could also say, for example, I'm going to add a sub-item called American English. I'm going to save that. If I refresh this page now, I've got American English as a sub-item underneath English. Okay, so now let's look at these different options available. So the question here is, which page do you want this input to appear on? And you've got a number of different options. Should it appear on the freelancers register page? So this is when you're signing up as a freelancer, and as a marketplace, you may want this information to be required part of the, well, not required, but you want them to provide it at an earlier stage for various vetting reasons, for example. Then it can appear here. So you see languages appearing here. And if I untick that, you'll see then it will disappear. So let's do that. Let's untick it and then refresh the page. Language should now be disappeared. I'm still logged in. There we go. So now language is gone. Okay. So next, should they appear on the freelancer's profile page? And in my case, I said yes, they should appear here so that the freelancer can, and I would say this should be your default system, is that the freelancer should be able to upload whatever information they like here on their profile page. Then should it appear on the client's registration page? So this is a customer register. It's the page where your customer is going to register. I've said no, that's why it's not appearing here. Should it appear on the client's profile page? As you know, some clients have a profile as well. And I can log in and show you. So this is my customer profile page. So it can also appear here if you want. Then should it appear to customers who are searching for freelancers? So in this case, it's on this page. And you can see language here because it has been selected for this. It's appearing, and it can enable me to filter based on the freelancers submitted information. So here we can see that I haven't done that yet, so I haven't appeared here. So if I save this now, assuming that this freelancer is activated, let's have a quick check. They are active, so there we go. This freelancer is now appearing because they have selected it in their profile page. Okay, so should they be filtered basically by the freelancer, by the customers? Should it enable them to filter? What else? Should it appear on the freelancer search jobs page? Okay, so this is now a freelancer who's looking for jobs. Can I search based on a customer who's posted a job with this language requirement? Currently, there are no jobs posted with this requirement. So it asks you, do you want your freelancers to be able to search for jobs based on this filter of this data type? And then finally, should it be displayed when customers post the job and list it as a preference? So here, let's go and post a job. And you'll see here in the preferences section, which is used for matching purposes, I can select English or whatever other items I want. And then this will be saved as part of the job that's posted. And you can choose if you want, using our regular preferences system in your platform settings page, whether you should see language here, whether you want to be able to give some weight to it as part of your matching score. And you can look at a different video on how to use that particular tool. So that's custom data types, how you add one, how you edit them, your various different options, which page to display it on, and what type of information you can give. You can ignore this schema for now, but it's just there because soon we're going to be adding additional types of data. So instead of just having it as it currently is with a drop down, where is it? Profile. As a drop down option, you'll be able to add more things like add custom text, for example, or upload an image or upload a file or something. So that's all coming down the line. Okay, that's how custom data types work. Good luck.